Alright, y'all, welcome back to the show. Okay. Now time for the final thought. Okay. Excuse that song, that was a computer. Okay. So, anyway, I would like to say that I enjoyed myself by my people house, but I don't know why I said that. Met Greg's new girlfriend. Got put my shoes out the way. She's a sweetheart. I like her, Not better than Samara. Could never be better than Samara. Samara gonna always be my favorite person. So I forgot her name, my new favorite. But for some reason, I told her good luck. I could have scared her off. But that's another mystery. Okay. All right. So again, family is more important. I remember for years, I've always heard Felicia Rashad say, share more than meals at the family table, Yep, share more than meals at the family table. Share whatever you can at the family table, Now, that was a good quote, and it wasn't a misquote, okay? All right. So, I must say, a family is good, depends on who it might be, You never know who, you never know how, You never know, okay? So, I must say I am totally glad that I went to my family house, and I'm gonna rewind that tape and find out what her name is, okay? So I forgot her name, and that was fast for me to forget, Very much fast for me to forget her name, So, she's the most sweetest girl I ever met, But we ain't gonna say much about it, Okay. All right. So that's all Dominoes 7 got to say. Like Bob Barker would say, help control the pet population. Have your pet spayed and neutered, okay? Well, I'll get to that in a minute, okay? So, I really love Christmas. My favorite time of year, and I love it, All right? Doing a fried chicken episode. And Nala's birthday is coming soon, okay? So, her birthday is January the 3rd, okay? So, I'm going to sing her a happy birthday when she get here and stuff like that, So, that's for another episode, okay? Alright, thank y'all for watching this show. And Dominoes 7 reminding y'all, like Bob Barker remind y'all, and Drew Carey be reminding y'all, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered, alright? Goodbye, everybody. See y'all next time on the Dominoes 7 show.